problems, general problems, example problems. So first one is infinity ladder network. Infinity ladder network problems. For example, this is first capacitor, second, third, fourth, and so on. This first capacitor capacity is what is that? C. Second capacitor capacity 2C and 4C, 8C. Next one. So 16C and so on. Like this way, they are connected in what is it? Series infinity ladder network. So what is the effective capacity? Effective capacity is equal to what? Effective capacity. So when we are observing these capacitors, all capacitors are in which connection? All capacitors are in series connection. Therefore, effective capacity formula is what is that? 1 by C. Effective, it is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 and so on. Series connection. Then effective capacity is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by 2C plus 1 by 4C plus 1 by 8C and so on. Therefore, 1 by C take common, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 and so on. Therefore, C effective 1 by C effective is equal to 1 by C into this sum of infinity terms formula. Infinity terms formula, what is that? A by 1 minus R. A is nothing but what is that? First term. R is nothing but common ratio. Okay. So first term is what is that? 1 by 1 minus common ratio 1 by 2 by 1, 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. So therefore 1 by C into what is that? 2 by 1. That is 1 by C effective. That is C effective is equal to what is that? 2 by C. C by what is that? 2. C by 2. Then this is first question. Next. Here this is first capacitor, capacity C. Next two capacitors. The capacity is what is that? C. Identical capacitors. Next what is that? 4. Like this way. This is infinity ladder network. Infinity ladder network. Then what is the effective capacity? What is the effective capacity? Asking question. The effective capacity in this is what is that? C. In second row they are in series. What is the formula? 1 by C effective is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. That is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by C. That is equal to 2 by C. C effective, that is equal to C by 2. This is C by 2. Next one, what is that? C by 4. Next case, what is that? C by 8. All of them is what is that? In parallel connection. Next case, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, like this way. It is what is that? Infinity ladder network. Effective capacity in first row C, effective capacity in the second row is C by 2, third row C by 4, fourth row it is what is that C by 8. All of them is what is that parallel. C comma C by 2 comma C by 4 C by 8 are in parallel. Therefore effective capacity, how we find effective capacity, it is equal to okay, C in series, C effective already calculated, C by 2, C in series, C effective it is equal to C by 4 and so on. Now they are in parallel. Effective capacity 1 by C effective, that is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus and so on. Then first capacitor capacity is C plus second C by 2 plus C by 4 plus C by 8 and so on. C take common, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 and so on. Therefore C into, here this is infinity ladder network, so sum of infinity terms formula is A by 1 minus R. Okay, we can apply this formula to this, therefore 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore C effective is equal to 2. What is that? C into 2 by 1. So that is equal to 2C. This is resultant capacity. So next, infinity ladder network. One more problem. This is A internal. What is that? B. Then first capacitor. Next, second. And so on. This capacitor capacity C. Here middle capacitor capacity is 2C. Next one 2C. Next 2C. Next 2C and so on. Like this way, infinity ladder networks. What is the effective capacity? Effective capacity will find when we are observing here C to C, all these are what are they connected infinity, like this way. So up to here, this is in infinity terms are there, so that's why the effective capacity up to here, okay, that is equal to C dash. Assume the effective capacity up to dotted lines, okay, that is C dash. Okay, so then final network, that is to C. Next one to C. Here this is what is that? C dash. Effective capacity up to this portion. So this is A terminal B to C. Then C to C and C dash is what is that? 2C and C dash are what are they? In parallel connection. Okay. Then effective capacity is equal to 2C plus C dash. Why? Because effective capacity in parallel connection C1 plus C2. Right. Okay. So this is infinity ladder network. The effective capacity up to this portion we can consider as what is that? C dash. Then what is that? These two are in what are they? Parallel connection. Then effective capacity value is 2C plus C dash. Again, this effective value is in series with C. That means 2C plus C dash and This effective capacity will be considered as what is that? C dash. 2C plus C dash and C. That means these two capacitors effective capacity we can consider as what is that? C dash only. Why? Because what is that? This is assume C. When we are removing some certain amount of volume or bucket of volume of water is removed, the volume quantity is what is that? No change. So that's why this effective value will be what is that? Considered as what is that? C dash. Therefore 1 by C dash in series formula, 1 by C effective, it is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Okay, so 1 by C dash is equal to 1 by 2C plus C dash plus 1 by C. Okay, so therefore 1 by C dash is equal to 2. What is that? C dash it is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Okay, C1 C2 means what is that? C into 2C plus C dash divided by 2C plus C dash into C. Right? Why? Because effective capacity in parallel connection formula C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2. Right? So what is that? C get cancel, cross multiplication, then C dash into 2C plus C dash, that is equal to 2C plus C dash, right? Then 2C C dash plus C dash square, that is equal to 2C plus what is that? C dash. So what you are getting here? C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, C1 plus C2. Actually in numerator that is C1 plus C2. No cancelling, this is into C. Why? Because formula C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2, C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Then cross multiplication, so we made a mistake. So this is what is that? C dash into what is that? Then 2C plus C, that is 3C plus C dash, that is equal to 2C square plus C dash, right? Then 3C C dash plus C dash square, that is equal to C square plus what is that? C dash. Then these values taken to left side, C dash square plus 2C dash, what is that? Minus of 2C square, this is equal to 0. It is one quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, compare. Then compare with this equation, then a term it is equal to 1, b term it is equal to 2c. Okay, then c term it is equal to minus of 2c square. Then so what is that? Roots of this equation, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus of 4ac by 2a. Therefore minus of b nothing but 2c plus or minus square root b square means 4c square minus 4 into a 1 c minus of 2c square. Okay, by 2 into a is nothing but 1 minus of 2c plus square root 4c square plus 4 to 8 c square by 2, that is equal to 2. So 8 plus 4 12. Okay, so what is that? 4 3s are 12. Then we can written as 2c plus 3. What is that? 2c into root 3 brackets 2c into root 3. 2c value we can set into inside 4 3s are 12, 12 c square by 2. 2 get cancelled. Therefore, what you are getting here, then minus of c plus c root 3. Therefore, c take common root 3 minus of 1. So this is infinity ladder network effective capacity.